every time you come on here, you always give us a great Jokić story. Obviously, since the season ended, he's gone back to Serbia. Have you seen him since? Have you hung with him since? Have anything else interesting on that end?
Heard from him?
Yeah. She said anything?
I definitely hear from Jokić, but I know when he gets home, he throws his phone in the river and he gets a new one when he comes back. But yeah, I talked to him maybe like a week or so ago. He sent me a picture of him with a horse, like a selfie, him and the horse together. So that was, yeah.
So
I was like, all right, have fun, brother.